Meet Laelia, a gorgeous tap and mixer collection exclusive to Italtile. Water smart, high-tech, sleek, modern, affordable and durable with a mirror shine chrome finish, the lovely Laelia ticks every box. Offering 2-pillar type hand basin tap options to choose from, including classic and tall. Both can be used with drop-in basins, undermount basins and countertop basins that have a tap hole present. The Laelia bath or shower mixer is a single function unit that can be connected to a single shower or bath outlet. It has a round backing plate and the brass body of the mixer is concealed. The Laelia diverter mixer is a dual function unit where only one function can operate at any given time. The diverter mixer can be connected to 2 outlets of your choice, bath spout and hand shower or overhead shower and hand shower. It has a round backing plate and the brass body of the mixer is concealed. The Laelia wall-type bath mixer is exposed and should be mounted above a bath on the wall. The mixer comprises of a mixer lever, spout, diverter lever and connector for a hand shower. All the taps in the Laelia range are covered by a 10-year guarantee and will certainly appeal to the style-conscious home renovator looking for sustainable design, high-tech features, quality finishes and excellent value for money. Look no further than the Laelia for Waterwise features that align perfectly with Italtile's very own LiveGreen ethos, as well as a value for money style.